Hey guys, it's Brenly. I'm here to walk you through how to make a custom leotard online today. And we have 6 different options of leotards to create in 2 different unitards. The really cool thing is they are a flat rate cost. So it starts at $69 and they don't increase from there depending on how much you choose to customize. The other thing is they take 4 to 6 weeks to make and they're made right here in the US. So I have 2 different options here that we've customized. And the really cool thing also is that you get to pick out your trim, your fabric, and the materials to include, and you get to see the whole process along the way online. All right, so now we are gonna go through how to create a custom leotard online on Discount Dance. So here we're on the landing page, and you can see on the left-hand side, there's the Skye by Mariia. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And we are gonna go ahead and create for you the floral leotard that we showed in the video right before this. So you can see all of the great styles to begin with and a couple of examples that have already been created. So we're just gonna go ahead and pick that camisole leotard. And when you are selecting your size, these are true to Mariia sizes. So any ones that you wore before in a Mariia, you can go off that for your sizing. So it prompts you to pick the different colors for every type and every part of the leotard. So we're gonna start with the strap option. And when you go to the drop down, you can see all the different colors that are available. And so we're gonna start with the floral blossoms. And then when we click on the fabric selection, it's gonna tell us which one, and we're gonna pick the spandex nylon. So then for the bodice, you can click down and see what we have available for there too as well. And for this one, we're gonna go to see which ones we have available. We're gonna go with the watercolor floral option. And then again, for the fabric, it's gonna be the nylon spandex. So it's already starting to come together for us. Here on the center insert, this is gonna be the mesh, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pick light pink on this one. And you can see some of the colors are not available, and that's just because it's a different material on this. So this is gonna be the mesh. And now for the bottom and the front and the back, we're gonna do again what we did on the strap, and we're gonna pick the floral blossoms. Great, and then the upper back, again, this is gonna be that mesh that we picked for the center insert, so we're gonna do light pink again. Awesome, so once we've done that, there's also the option to name your custom design. And you can name this whatever you want it to be, whether you wanna put your name. We're just gonna go ahead and write DDS Custom Leo, so we can remember what we created. And after we're done with this, we're gonna select our size. Perfect, and we're gonna save that one. Awesome. So when you add it to the bag, it is saved. From here, if you just go back and click onto your cart, you will go ahead and you will see what you've created, which is really cool because it's going to show you every single option that you've picked for this. And it is important to make sure this is exactly what you want because unfortunately these are final sales and there are no returns. And at the bottom too, you'll see that it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks to ship out, and you'll also see your total. So that's how you're gonna go through and create your custom leotard. You can see that it was really fun to go ahead and get the icon to see exactly what you're creating, and then in 4 to 6 weeks, you'll have your custom leotard.